Welcome to the start of the Fabulous Egg Diorama Crochet-Along. In this video, I'll show you the finished design, I'll walk you through the materials, share a few important pattern notes, and explain how the 5-part series will work, so you can feel confident and ready to make your own. And by the end of this video, you'll be fully prepared and ready to start your Fabulous Egg Diorama. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new here. I'm Pauline from Making Polly, and I'm so glad you've joined me to get ready for the Fabulous Egg Diorama Crochet Along. So now let's take a look at all the materials you'll need for this crochet along. You can use any yarn type and weight that gives a structured finish. Cotton works especially well for this design. I have used Drops Muscat, which is a double knit or light worsted weight cotton, and Drops Saffron, which is a 4-ply or sock weight cotton. For the eggshell, you'll need 1 ball of each of the main colours, which are powder pink, light blue, mint green, and pink panther. For the outer decorative details, you'll need small amounts of red, dark orange, vanilla yellow, blue, and lilac, as well as mint green and pink panther. For the inner details, including the Easter bunny, basket, eggs, sun, and daisies, you'll need 1 ball of white for the bunny and small amounts of pumpkin, mustard, powder blue, magenta, apple green, sweet orchid, and also dark grey or black and light pink or peach for the embroidered details for the bunny's face. For the Easter bunny's bow tie, you can use either a 4-ply or sock weight yarn or a metallic yarn. I've used Amigurumi Lamy, and either gold or silver both work beautifully. You'll also need 2 crochet hooks suitable for amigurumi. It's best to size down slightly from the hook recommended on your yarn label to achieve a firm finish. I used a 2.5mm hook for the eggshell that is worked in the muscat yarn, and a 2mm hook for the smaller details that are worked in the saffron yarn. You'll also need scissors for cutting your yarn, a tapestry needle for sewing in your ends, stitch markers or contrasting yarn to mark your rounds, and a small amount of toy stuffing. And at the start of each tutorial, I'll give you a quick reminder of the materials needed for that week's part, so you won't need to remember everything at once. Now let's go over a few important pattern notes before we begin. Throughout the series, I'll give instructions in both UK and US terminology, and we'll be using amigurumi techniques. When we begin crocheting in part 1, I'll explain the stitch structure clearly before we start. With the exception of the Easter Bunny's bow tie, all components are worked in the round and begin with a magic ring. If you'd like a refresher on making a double magic ring, I've linked my tutorial in the description, and I'll include it in the description of each relevant video. The bow tie starts with a slip knot and foundation chain. If you need a refresher on those, you'll also find those tutorials linked below as well. I'll cover any additional details specific to each part within that week's tutorial. And as I'm right-handed, I crochet with the hook in my right hand. If you're left-handed, you can simply mirror my movements. The Fabulous Egg Diorama Crochet Along is broken into 5 parts, with each video guiding you step by step through a section of the design. You can follow along at your own pace, and each part builds gradually so you won't feel overwhelmed. The written patterns for each part are available for a limited time through my newsletter while the series is running. After that, they'll be available in my shops. Full details are in the description below, which will be updated as needed. While the crochet along is running, there's also a dedicated Facebook group where you can share your progress, ask questions, and connect with other participants. Details on how to join the group are also in the description. It's a lovely way to be part of the community and get support as you work through the series, and the group will continue to grow with future crochet events and activities. And that's it for this prep video, crochet friend. You're all set and ready to start the Fabulous Egg Diorama Crochet Along. If you've enjoyed this introduction, please give the video a thumbs up and feel free to share it with a fellow crocheter. And I'd love to hear from you. Comment below if you're excited to get started Or let me know which part of the diorama that you're most looking forward to making. And if you'd like more fun crochet tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. There's plenty more on the way. Thanks so much for watching and happy crocheting!